Hi! So, kanina guys, ano daw ako, pumaldo ako. Kanina lang. Pero ngayon, hindi na. Yan. May nagbigay sa akin guys, sobrang laking, kanina, may nagbigay sa akin sobrang laking. Huwag nyo sobrang laking melon. Ayan sorry, huwag nyo pansinin yan Bago pa kasi ako dito, 1 million pa lang pera ko to, yung pinsan ko. Yan. Bibigyan ko siya, bumili ka muna doon sa seed shop. Magbibideo kami. Dito ka dali. Dito, bili ka dyan. Bili ka muna ng tomato, madami. Ubusin mo pera mo doon. Itanim mo or strawberry ka lang. Tapos pag nakakita ka ng mga kahit dyan na mga legendary, ganon. Alam mo na, bilhin mo. Ay, do this anymore. Ano yung tsura ng dragon fruit ko? Ganun. Nag-join yung isa kong pinsan, yung kapatid niya, si Dillon. Bili ka dyan, may bibigay ako sa'yo. Wait lang. Hindi pa kasi siya natubo. Hindi pa natubo yung dragon fruit ko. Ibigyan na lang kita ng mushroom na dib. Diba yun naman talaga ang mushroom? Ewan. Hindi, kulang. Ewan ko ba? Hindi ko makuha. Sarili kong mushroom, di ko makuha. Bigyan na lang kita ng yelo nga. Si Dillon, bahala na siya sa sarili. Ay! Celestial, bibigay ko sa'yo. Di ka dito, dali. Bigyan kita Celestial. Ibenta mo to, kung gusto mo. Asan ka? Basang, pa to? Basang sisiw. Tanim mo dyan, pindot ka lang. Hala?
But they couldn't stand against so many monsters. Their women were taken, and the village money and food were constantly stolen. Then she says that she passed by the
Live
village
muna ako kasi mag-iiba kami ng game. Hindi ko sure kung ano. Tara, obi tayo.
She is fighting off Murdoch's monsters, and then asks him to free the village.
Sabay tayo, wait lang, antayin mo ako dyan.
She has some skill, but she doesn't have enough.
700 siya.
Then he holds one of the hostage women and
Fire was... yung kaibigan ko na lalaki. Hindi ako pwede, Ate Dash, mag-join sa'yo. Hindi ako pwede. Mag-grow a garden na lang ako. Pumaldo na ako. Oh, that's ending. I wanna be next to you. Feeling mo ganung boses na ito. 3 minutes agad yung video ko. Mag-join ka dito, girl. Piliin mo. I wanna be next. Hindi ko sana boy Ay, joke lang. Hindi naman ako boy. Joke lang. I don't wanna do. Parang gusto ko mag-wall up. Nawawala din yung hagdan. Ba't ganun? Jumping. Sana naman hindi na tayo malalaglag dito. Malaglang tong cellphone ko kaya ako nalalaglag. OA lang din ako.
Looking like a discounted James Bond, he tells him that it's time to go. To Murdoch's castle. The XL-sized villain is drinking wine and
Pwede pala ako dito.
He laughs loudly and says that with power, he can have all the money and women he wants. He then hits the woman who's pouring wine into his cup and scolds her for doing it wrong, and reminds her that he can
pwede sa lalaki daw. Uy, grabe siya. Ang lakas ng bawas nun Ay! Wait lang. Ibang laro. So guys, sorry kung palipat-lipat ako. Lagi ako nalalaglag. Tsaka malag din yung cellphone ko ngayon. And yan, kung gusto nyo ay add, ayan yung skin ko. And ito yung name ko. Jocelyn1580. So add nyo na ako. Buisit po talaga kayo.
Lizardmen to attack and tells them to turn Daesuk and Lina into mincemeat.
Wala naman.
Seeing this, the village women
So,
shout
sabi
and
ng
insult Lina
pinsan
and
ko,
helplessly
mag-Brookhaven
walk
daw
from above.
kami.
However, Lina fearlessly draws out her sword and uses her turning slash skill to
Sabi niya, ito din yung kaibigan ko.
Just then, another
Si
lizardman
Smile,
appears to
tapos si Ate
Lina
Dash.
manages to block the strike just in time.
Guys, mukha naman, batiin niya kayo. Joke lang, hindi ko pa pala.
Suddenly, the lizardman is knocked away.
Magjo-join na ako sa pinsan kong nagbo-Brookhaven. Gagawa kami daw ng bahay sa lumang bahay. Ay, si
He wonders what kind of ability this
ang hina ng signal. Ano ba yan? Lagyan ko ng yelo. Lagyan mo ulit yelo. Yung signal, yung ano natin, wifi.
is stunned to see that Daesuk
Ay, wait lang guys. Wait lang. Yan guys, ito yung... Sorry, ganyan yung ano ko ha. Napagtripan yan eh.
and he is a trading design planning section chief.
Agoy.
Hearing this, Murdoch
Pupunta na ako sa pinsan.
because he has never
Sorry guys, sa
accelerated
panjeje.
and wonders what kind of class that is. As Daesuk
Napagtripan yan.
he notes that he is not facing any trouble with enemies of this level. He continues to fire upon
Pupuntaan ko lang yung
who can't
pinsan.
defend against his attacks. Seeing this, Murdoch calls his lizardmen useless.
Huwag niyo akong i-bash sa damit ko dito ha. Kung di talaga Ate Dash, nasan ka?
It will be the end.
Andito na ako sa bahay na ano.
And then he begins to chant a spell over the jar. Meanwhile, the lizardmen attack, but Daesuk's
Okay, dito ako sa secret ah. Yung hindi kasya yung motor, ay yung e-bike. Dito kami gagawa ang bahay pero mamaya pa. Goy. Uy, huwag niyo ako i-bash sa damit ko. Saka sa ano ko. Mukha ko. Tinry ko lang naman yung maging ganyan.
That is capable of moving on its own and smart enough to trap animals.
Si Dilo nag-join yung feeling ano. Feeling matanda kahit 4 years old pa lang. Ba't naglalakad kang naka-skateboard, T-Dash?
Hearing this, Lina quickly launches a powerful downward slash at one of the man-eater's tentacles, and the strike cuts deep. But
Ay, hala, di ako.
immediately.
Bored.
Seeing this, Lina realizes that the monster can regenerate itself.
Lumipad ka na lang,
She
Dash.
shouts that swords are useless.
Uy, alam niyo dito daw.
Jumps in and attacks.
Nakakakita ko lang na ito kanina. Naglaro din kami kasi.
Every blow. Seeing this,
Tignan nyo to. Alam niyo yung post 28 sa Dress to Impress. Basta post 28 daw yun.
Something clicks in Daesuk's mind, and he recalls
Yan, post 28.
that his closet
Yeah.
is connected to this world. And he
Yan
can
yun,
access
post
it
28 sa Dress to
He
Impress.
quickly opens a portal, and his arm reaches back
Wala
into
mo
his
na akong
bedroom
pambili
closet,
niyan.
which has all sorts of
Huwag ka
weapons.
muna sa
He
akin.
grabs one specific weapon and
Wait lang, papunta na ako
the
dyan.
portal begins to glow with a
Kirsten.
brilliant light. Seeing
Papunta
this,
na ako dyan,
Murdoch
El
says that nothing
Kirsten.
can stop the man-eater now, and it will devour
And papunta na din
And
si
then he warns Lina that they're doomed.
Atlin. Ay,
Attack again, but gets knocked back.
Atlino Miro. Ay, joke
And
lang.
asks if she's okay.
Ate Dash, sa likod mo ako.
The name Oliver, and
Ay, Kirsten nga pala.
But when the figure
Nickname
moves
niya
closer,
yung
it turns out
Kirsten.
to be
Joke
Daesuk.
lang, kasama niya sa
He calls
pangalan.
out to her,
Bibit-bitin
but
na lang
just
kita.
then, tentacles emerge behind him, and Lina warns him. But Daesuk spins
Joke.
around and blasts
Joke
them
ang
away
bigat.
in one shot. The tentacles explode and don't regenerate this time. Seeing this,
Ba't ka nag-reset,
Murdoch
Dash?
freezes in shock and stares at the weapon in Daesuk's hands and wonders
Wala akong
what
kamay.
stops the man-eater's regeneration. Daesuk grins and
Wait lang, maglilib na ako. Joke lang, joke lang.
Transfaz 12, which is a shotgun made by the Italian manufacturer. He relies
Gawa ka na
on
bahay.
a
Dito,
special
dali.
automatic shotgun used by military
Ay, di ako nag-leave. Hindi ako nag-leave.
shells with
Hindi ako nag-leave.
But at
Mag-join
close
ako.
range, it tears
Mag-join ako ang ilag
He
kasi.
continues firing and blasts off most of the man.
Yeah, sorry, magulo daw.
Spawns 12 a miniature cannon made for close
Labas na muna ako.
Looking at the monster, he realizes that
Oo,
the
Wala ka
iya.
anymore. And then he asks Lina if the man-eater has any weak spots.
Tinatry kong tumira dito. Mag-isa ay joke.
Monsters always have core organs or regenerative
Sobrang
organs
straight ng buko para siyang ano. Hindi ko bet yung ano niya. Ito yung may code talaga yung. Wait lang. Ba't ganyan yung mga pangalan?
Which reveals the monster's glowing core. She turns back and tells Daesuk that the core is full, and Daesuk leaps high into the air and lands directly above the exposed core like an aircraft. Then he points his shotgun straight at it and
O
tells
yan,
the
to,
man
tingnan
that
niya.
it's over.
Gusto ko magaganyan,
Then
oh.
he delivers one final blast, and the fire bursts from the tip of the shotgun
Eh,
and hits directly into the
joke
core.
lang.
The core shatters, and the man-eater
Pangit yan, guys.
disappears.
Meron akong headlet.
Murdoch screams in horror over the
Gusto ko
loss of his precious
mag-headless.
money, but his fear grows.
Kaso
Ikaw ba to?
Oo, okay yan.
He pleads with her to spare him and offers her his money and even
Yan,
half
paus
of the
ako
loot
ngayon.
he stole from the village.
Kanina
But Lena
napalo.
doesn't hesitate and strikes him straight in the
Pangit
face,
ng
which
skin
throws
ko.
him
Dati
away
ko
and
pa tong
shatters his
skin.
hoard. The villagers
Cherries.
scream with joy when they see their women return. Murdoch is tied up by the villagers
Pang
and they hand him
JJ
over to
talaga
the
na.
authorities.
Ay,
Just then,
JJ.
and thanks her for bringing his mother back. And his words
Dito
bring
muna
us
ako magpapanggap akong si Freya Hidalgo.
is going to leave
Ako lang naman si Freya Hidalgo.
and tells him that she's on a journey to find someone, so she can't remain in the village for long.
Sabi ni JJ, ano ba yung paebas-ebas mo yan? Umakyat ka pa sa upuan, pwede mo naman sabihin dito.
She explains that she's looking
Ako lang naman si Freya Hidalgo. Alis ka muna.
Oliver. She says that one day he vanished and left his sword behind.
Uy, pwede natin ito maging bahay nga pala kasi pwede dito empty room.
Then she sadly admits that she still doesn't feel like a proper knight. Hearing this, Daesuk
O yan, bahay na to. Oh.
and tells her that
Bahay na. May bahay na.
Lena blushes
Hinahanap
and
ka
accepts
na
his
ng
Then
puso.
Daesuk
Ay,
turns to leave and says
Ay,
that he'll return once his work is
ayun.
done. Lena silently thanks him, slowly
Hala, lagpas na. Mag-e-end na ako dito. Bye-bye.
choosing Daesuk was the right